Hello, everybody. It's Bob Anderson, and today is June 20th, 2025. And I lost money this week. Yeah, I lost money. Nothing major. Um, early in the week, I struggled to adapt. I struggled to adapt to the summer trading. It's just, man, it's just frustrating. I mean, if I wasn't putting videos together and stuff, I probably just wouldn't have even traded at all this week. May not even have traded. May not even have traded all the way to say August from here. Just being honest. So I'm gonna have to step down my game of what trades I'm looking at, and maybe just trade the MNQ today. I traded the NQ, so it's like I haven't thought this out. I have a business meeting. I have a 2.5 hour drive as soon as I stop this video to go to a business meeting, and a 2.5 hour drive back after this business meeting today. Probably I'm going to put a lot of deep thought into while I'm in this car ride as to what my approach is going to be for the next couple of weeks. So let me just kind of explain. Monday and Tuesday, I knew we had summer trading, and I was, kind of trying to get aggressive and trading earlier in the day, and I was just getting whiplashed here and there and doing just some stupid stuff. To be perfectly honest, stuff that I don't normally do because I'm trying to create trades that aren't there. Um, and feeling the pressure to give them room to work instead of, because there's such limited follow through, I can't be as aggressive of getting my stop to break even because I'm really just trying to buy in a direction or sell in a direction, because there's not follow through, and then believing in that direction. And there's just, I don't know if I'm making sense, but basically, if all the indicators and everything on my charts is showing me along, then what I got caught up in on Monday and Tuesday is taking a long off of, say, one of my setups, but leaving all this room for the long to work, um, when there's just no follow through. Instead of when the market has follow through and has that volume, the way the bulk of my trades work, not necessarily the red line, but the lines, the static lines, and then of course the 1 minute gold line. You can you can anticipate zing zing, and you can protect yourself from losses, from the size of the losses. And I scrapped that, knowing the market is not really doing that, and I tried buying sides of the market. I just made mistakes, and I lost between Monday and Tuesday. I lost $1,200. 1,200 bucks. Yeah, and then Wednesday I didn't trade at all. It was rate announcement day for FOMC, and so I booked. I had and I set a big. I set a 2,300 square foot modular on Wednesday. I'm talking a big ranch. That's just the main floor, 2,305 square feet. Big ranch, big house. Set that on Wednesday, so I was out for that. And then of course yesterday was a bank holiday, so I was out for that. So the only day I had left was Friday, and I just said, "Listen, let me just let me just try to see something going on and taking a trade." That's the video I got at the end here. I took a pre-market trade in the NQ, and I'll be perfectly honest with you. While I was trying to get the video started and stuff, it's probably the reason that I made money in the trade because they reached back with their stops and I mean, cleaning out stops, and I hadn't yet, because I'm over here clicking these buttons, I hadn't yet grabbed my stop, moved it up, or I'd have got knocked out for maybe $100, $200 loss. And by the time I turned back, boom, off it was going again. And I say off. We're talking pre-market here, so it's not really off. But anyways, it was a 1 minute goal line trade that worked, and I wasn't watching the market, but there was a nice prior day high crossover retest that worked also in the NQ. And there was one that worked in the ES that I'm looking at right here. Same trade. Crossover, retest, long in the ES that worked. So I'm going to have to put my thought process together of how I'm going to handle summer trading. Because, I mean, the reality of it is I would prefer not to trade it at all. But I want to put some video content out there for you guys. You know, but this week that cost me $700. I did get 500 of my money back today. I did get 500 of my money back today, so I'm down $700 for the week. I haven't had a losing week in a long time. Yeah, I haven't had a losing week in a long time. I don't even know when that was. Well, I do know when that was. It was back. Okay. When did I have a losing week? I'll tell you the last time I had a losing week. It's real simple. The last time I traded prop firm money was when I had a losing week. Because again, again, between the years, I didn't value prop firm accounts the same as I value my own money. And since I'm just trading my own money now, I don't intend to lose money during the week, even though I did this week. Anyways, so look at the trade there. Maybe I'll do some videos, maybe over the weekend even, where I'm going to have to go back and just evaluate some charts, see what's kind of going on now that we're in summer trading, and maybe identify things that maybe I can focus on and maybe help you focus on too. If you are going to trade in the next, I'm telling you, it's going to be rough. And I know another thing. Oh my God, I know another thing. I was in a beautiful trade in gold. 5 minute red line short, I'm pretty sure, on Tuesday. And then, of course, there's so much stuff going on in the world right now with wars and just craziness in the Middle East predominantly. I mean, it's like nobody even remembers that there's a war going on in Ukraine anymore. So it's too focused on what's going on in the Middle East. But there I am on this beautiful 5 minute red line trade short I'm pretty sure it was a red line trade short in gold. And then something happened news and zing, flew through me, knocked me out. That was a $500 loss, just like that. When I was up like $300 and heading towards my target of 400. I think my target was 400 on that trade. But I mean, the fill and everything was just, and I was way up here on the pivot. I don't know. It's just a long story. I got killed. Anyways, I'm gonna, so that's not helping either. When there's limited volume and there's news that's random, that's not your news, your economic news, because there's too many crappy things going on in the world right now. Too many governments trying to find reasons to kill people to justify their existence. And yeah, you heard me say that. Anyways, I will talk to you guys later. Dennis, bye. Hey, everybody. It's June 20th, 2025. And I just entered this long here after this crossover retest. Crossover, Jesus, crossover, Donchian high, smooth pullback, retest, 9 EMA. It's not looking too promising, but I took it. We shall see. It's not looking promising at all, actually. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I mean, this is pre-market too. This thing really should have run off. I'll be honest with you. I didn't. I was trying to get this video to start, which is why I wasn't paying attention to these candles. By the time I got the video to start, this big red one hit. I would have probably been out already. Okay, 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 okay. Come on, come on, come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, NQ. Again, I'm looking at the RTY. I'm looking at the ES, all at the same time, and they're all in agreement with what direction we are going here in the NQ also. But, geez, this is not looking very promising. Come on. Damn it. Oh my gosh. Oh man, come on. I'm getting a little nervous now, to be honest with you. I'm getting very nervous. Come on, pop the top of this candle to my left. I'll put my stop right here. Come on. Come on. Come on, NQ. Come on. Come on. It is 8:42 Eastern Standard Time right now. So again, I mean, this is a pre-market trade. But we had some spikes going and all that kind of stuff. We had a nice pattern set up. Everything was in agreement with the ES and the RTY and that kind of stuff. Okay, here we go. All right, so all right, hold on here. We might get lucky. I need to look at this. So what do we got going on here? We're going through the daily high. Here's the open. Here's the low. So we've been up since the market opened, which was wow. Okay, here we've been up. Now we seem to be hopefully going to a new level, to a new zone. And you know, I don't have anything to. I don't have any lines above me other than 2 days ago. This high was right here, so I really don't have anything to shoot for. So I'm going to kind of protect myself and see if maybe I can just get my target. I guess my target on this trade out of the box, the way I got it set up, is 25 points. So, okay, we just literally spiked to the high. Dang it. That's not good. Oh my God, are you gonna roll back on me? Damn it. I don't want it to double top, obviously. I want it to roll up. God dang it. Dang it. That was an ugly candle, man. It just went pink like that and then straight back down. Now, there was definitely a lot of selling at that high. Definitely a lot of selling at that high. Damn it. Shoot. I mean, there was a stack of orders apparently there because it just ping. I mean, it went ping ping just like that. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me a second here. I'm gonna stop. I gotta break up my ES trades chart so I can see it a little better. Blow it up a little more so I can see it better. Man, come on, come on, guys, come on, come on. Wow, man, wow. Man, I just missed a crossover retest of the prior day low in gold. Didn't even notice that. Didn't even notice that. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, seriously. Don't double top me. Don't double top me. Don't double top me. Come on. Come on, NQ. Don't double top me. I'm going to have to protect myself, at least not take a loss. Damn it. The thing about the NQ too is like, you got to get a move out of it to really make any money because, like, here I'm at 167 bucks. I mean, or 142. I mean, it's not a lot of money for the move. You need really like the 25 points. If I can get 25 points, that's 500 bucks. But you got to get some movement out of it to make some money, and it has a tendency to move. By the way, let's talk about the real trade. Here's the prior day high, crossover retest. There you go. You know what I'm saying? But let's just for conversational purposes, let's go over here and look at it in gold. Zing, Donchian low, back up into the red line and down it's going. It's like, damn. The entry on that is, somewhere around 62. So if you played 52, which is not, well, maybe down to the low, you're at 56, 62. That's $600. To here would be 600 bucks. I didn't see this because I was looking at this at the same time. I was trying to stay focused on the trade I was looking at. So right here, so for example, we're back to, like, we're at 280 now. That's not bad. That's not bad. I mean, that's not bad. Boy, if we just, come on, get a little spike here. Get a little spike. Get a little spike here. Come on. Oh, man. Come on. See, now it's created another Donchian high, so it could come back and do a retest down here. Come on. Oh, please. All right. Ooh. Okay. I'm going to protect this for now. Let's see where we're at. We're at 312. Okay. That's not bad. I'm at 16, 17 points. Come on. Dang it. Oh, it's painful. Again, I don't want to drag the screens over because I'm really focused on this trade, but I am glancing at the ES. I am glancing back at the RTY. Everything's in agreement still that the long is what it's trending. Just it's clearly running out of some energy here. I may be getting too greedy. I need more than $300 though. I mean, I'm just being honest. I need a trade that makes me more than $300. I mean, it's just Monday and Tuesday I traded this week. I didn't trade Wednesday. I didn't trade Thursday. I didn't even look at the charts yesterday. I think there was some market movement, but it was the bank holiday. So let's see here. I was I lost money Monday and Tuesday. I mean, it's just zero follow through on anything, and I was given just too much room to the trades that had no follow through. So I was down. I'm down for the week, right at $1,200. So this $500 is still going to have me negative for the week. Yeah, even if I get this $500. All right, I'm going to hold that right there. Even if I get this $500, I'm down for the week. Come on, come on. Yeah, I mean, and it's just summer trading, man. I got to modify my thought process. I got to be a little more, I don't know. Come on, you're there. Come on, man, you're there. You're there, dude. You're there. You're there. Get this here because I gotta go. I've got a meeting I gotta go to. That's 2.5 hours away. I got a long drive. Come on, let's get this over with. Come on. Dang it. Oh my. Oh my. Shoot. Come on. Come on. The ES cleared its daily high with that this green candle. On the ES side, it cleared its previous high also, just like the NQ just did. The RTY is reaching for its high, but has not gotten there. Its daily high, that is. Come on. Oh, man. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. This is not doing me any good right now. Come on. Man. Oh, shoot, man. This is not doing Bob any good. What time we got? 8:53. All right, come on, come on. Seriously, please, run up. Let's go. Run up, run up, run up. Spike. Oh, come on, spike. Spike long. Spike. Spike long. Spike long. Come on, you can do this. You can do this. I know you can. I know you can. Oh, okay, okay. If it clips this, I'm going to protect this bottom right here. And it did clip it. So here we are. This is it. We either get that or that. That's where I'm at right now. The RTY is rolling up right now again. So this is looking promising, but again, I gotta get through that high. This is where we start, the battle starts getting tough again. Because you got to buy through that high that's been there, 1, 2, 3 times now. Keeps creating little highs, but they're just little highs. It's not a lot of conviction. If we go through the high, I'm gonna protect the bottom. God dang it! Come on, come on, come on. I think you got it. Okay, the RTY is literally at its getting to its high right now. Come on, come on, come on. The RTY is at its high. We should be able to pop through it. Come on, come on. Oh my, this is painful. This is painful. This is painful. There we go. There we go. There we go. Come on. Oh, man, the RTY just hit it. All right, there we go. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Okay. So 495.64. That's it. That's where I'm at. And I'm gonna have to call it a day because I got to get out of here. I've got to drive. I've got a 2.5 hour drive one way. Wow, look at that thing cycle back down now. Um, yeah, yeah, look at that thing cycle back down. Jeez. All right, so I got a 2.5 hour drive one way just to meet with a customer about building a house and things like that. And anyways, but for my week, it was just rough, man. I was just trying to give some trades some room and whatnot. And there was no follow through. It's again, we're getting into summer trading. It's just getting rough. So I'm going to actually have a loss for the week of about $700. Yeah. I'm going to be at $700 for the week. So, because I just don't have time to sit here and trade today. But again, I'm going to do some research this weekend, but I probably need to go back. I probably need to find something to focus on for the summer, and it may be stuff just like this. I mean, that right there. I mean, that's just a beauty. And then just keep following the pivots, or something, or keep putting myself at break even. Notice now, here's the interesting thing: if your entry's here, look at this. This is the kind of stuff I talk about. If your entry's right here. All right. And then you're in this trade all the way to here, and then they come back down to the entry, cleaning out the stops, and then they run it. I mean, that's the kind of stuff that it just gets so frustrating in the summertime because there's just not much follow through. That when you do get into something like this, that makes you enough money to say, okay, I'm good. I'm not worried about the reindeer games they play after. Am I making sense? Because you're not having the expansion and the contraction that you normally have. Granted, this is pre-market, but I mean the market is acting just like this. So it's like, so knowing that, one of the things I was doing the last couple of days is like getting into this trade, let's just say, letting it go and keeping my stop way down here, and then it just gives up the ghost and rolls over and takes me out, and there, boom, I lost $400 or something like that. It's like just craziness. Anyways, that's my video for today. I'm sorry I didn't put anything out this week. It's just been a slow week in terms of trading anyways. And I am really kind of busy. I'm going on vacation here, not next week, but the following week. And I've got to get a lot of stuff taken care of before then. So anyways, I'll try to get some more videos out next week. Talk to you later. Bye.